So what are we having then? We got, I see, rice.
I'm going to try to cook rice and see if this
Cooking rice in the Ridgemonkey.
Yeah.
Oh.
Not sure it will work though.
Well.
We will see.
Okay, we're going to try rice in the Ridgemonkey for our dinner. Somebody's parked a lovely Jaguar next to us. I think more people are coming here now because it's sunsets over there. So first job is to wash the rice. Which is just about doable.
Try not to scratch it.
Yeah, Volkswagen Campervan. Clean rice.
No, you have to wash three times.
Wash 3 times. Okay. Second time, I want to. Okay, but third time. Well,
I think I just washed twice.
you wash twice.
Yeah, because
Okay.
you don't have.
No.
You don't want to waste water.
No. What do you think, Mo? Think the rice is going to be a success? Eh? Do you? I'm not sure. What are you doing now? Just adding water.
Water to cook the rice.
Okay.
I think about right.
What is it? Mushrooms?
Yeah, mushroom.
It's a bit depressing fridge because we're not staying over. There's no beer in there, is there? Or wine.
Get that for me.
Yeah. So, just missed that, but we must put some oyster sauce in there.
Oyster sauce.
What's that?
Soya sauce.
Soya sauce.
This is dark soya sauce. Just put it on. It's almost finished.
Dark sauce.
Dark soya sauce.
Oh, dark soy sauce, sorry. What's going in now?
Sesame oil.
Sesame oil. Oh, hang on. Big engine.
Stir it.
What's this?
Vegetable.
Oh yeah, already pre-cut of tomato, broccoli.
Not tomato, pepper.
Oh, sorry. Pepper, broccoli,
Carrot.
carrot.
Just a lot of vegetable.
Yeah.
So we open.
Oh yeah. So we do have to put the pot this at an angle
Oops.
so it fits.
Scratch it.
No, no,
I think I scratch it.
no, you didn't. Yeah, we put it at an angle so it actually fits. It doesn't fit the other way.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's best to turn the gas on. There we go. Whoa. Oh! That's the other thing. It's just, you know, we did a little video on the Ridgemonkey pot, but it is just about, needs to handle a little bit smaller. Put in some parsley.
Not supposed to.
No, it's just a bit of an extra. It's not as if we haven't got enough vegetables in there, is it? So basically now we are boiling for 10 minutes.
Yeah, medium heat for 10 minutes.
Medium heat for 10 minutes.
Once it boils,
Yeah, once it boils.
yeah, and then you just turn the heat down.
Yep,
Close the cover.
Turn the heat down.
Close the cover.
Close the cover.
And slow cook for 10 minutes.
Slow cook for 10 more minutes.
Yeah, and then after 10 minutes, turn the fire off.
Turn the fire off, yeah.
And let it cook itself for 10 minutes.
10 more minutes. So 30 minutes.
No, 20.
Oh, 20 minutes. Okay, yeah. So 10 minutes with the fire on, and 10 minutes slow cooking without fire on.
Self cook, yeah.
Yeah, self cook. Yeah. And then you're ready. And then we should have the perfect rice.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
I'm not sure this Ridgemonkey how you.
It's the first time we're trying this in a Ridgemonkey. Fingers crossed.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Oh, turn it off. Right, so now we just leave it for 10 minutes.
Yeah, you want to make sure you don't open the cover.
So gas off. Just leave it. Don't open the cover. Just leave the rice. Okay, so we've waited 10 extra minutes with the gas off, slow cooking. And now
Okay,
we're both very excited, but because we're both
I'm not sure
yeah,
is it success or not.
we're both very hungry, so we're going to eat it whatever. Or there's a pot noodle coming out. Ready?
Not
10
yet.
minutes?
7 seconds.
Oh man, this has to be right on 7 seconds. It's not going to make it another. Go on, right now. Come on.
No?
Yeah, stop it. Oh, there you go. Come on, I'm starving.
Ta-da.
Oh.
There's a lot of water going.
Whoa.
Smell nice. Take this off.
Oh, smells nice. Mmm. What do you think?
I think it works.
I'm really hungry now.
It has a lot of vegetable.
I mean, I'll eat anyway. I think we're going back from the New Forest as well. You can't really get a sneaky McDonald's because it's countryside roads and stuff. Oh yes,
It looks okay, isn't
looks
it?
good, doesn't it?
It's only 1 cup of rice.
1 cup of rice.
Yeah, but look, it's
That's quite a lot, isn't it? Well, there's a lot of vegetables in there.
Because, yeah.
Oh, it smells really good.
Oops. Just scoop it all.
Yum, 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 yum. What are you saying? Rice not cooked.
It's a bit undercooked. It's okay, isn't it?
See, undercooked for you, but no, that's good. I'm happy.
Look, put some this
Oh.
chili.
It's really good. I'm happy. Gonna just eat this now. Well, I'm gonna say that was a great success. Polish that off. Really good. Proper yum. Yep, put that on the
Yeah, you could cook rice on in the Ridgemonkey.
yeah. So we've done it now. Cooked rice and Ridgemonkey. Really good. Proper nice meal. And now I'm just gonna finish it off with a bit of water. I'm driving. Okay. So I've just come outside to show you this. Beautiful, huh? I kind of, everybody's gone now. Well, there's a car behind us, we can't quite see it.